Hi guys! So samahan niyo ako today sa Alabang Town Center. Bumili lang tayo ng coffee. And then maghahanap din ako ng DJI Mini na mic. Kasi since bumili kami ng DJI Osmo Nano, hindi pala pwede yung other external mic. So dapat DJI mic din. So sana makahanap tayo ng DJI mic. Ha? Let's go! So nandito tayo sa may Southwoods area. And dito na ako dumaan para makiiwas sa traffic ng Governor's Drive. So, for the information of everyone, so bago ako sa vlogging, and yung personal goal ko lang naman would be to share my daily life, share yung travel kung meron, tips, and then siguro hacks na din for everyone na gusto mag-travel din. So yun, if may magustuhan kayo sa vlog ko, or may natutunan kayo, please don't hesitate to follow, like, and subscribe. Yun, and then I'll also welcome feedback from you guys para mas ma-improve pa natin yung mga content natin. Okay? Salamat! Something siguro na I can share with you guys para you'll get to know me better. Again, my name is Josh. I currently live in Carmona, Cavite. So previously, taga Muntinlupa City. And I am currently working as a PMO / resource manager for a telecommunications company. So I've been working there for I think 6 years. And yun, hobbies, I like trying coffee, ibang coffee shops. And yun, hilig talaga magkape. Bisyo na magkape. And I think makaka-relate naman lahat. I mean, not lahat, but siguro most of the people who's watching right now, no, na sobrang nabibisyohan na natin ang pagkakape. So, normally I do drink 2 to 3 cups a day. I'm sure hindi siya healthy, pero yun, yun lang yung nakasanayan. So, yun, some things about me to share with you guys. So now I'm going to Urban Gadgets. So hopefully makakita tayo ng DJI na mic mini. So Urban Gadgets guys is located lang dito sa 3rd floor ng Alabang Town Center. So malapit lang siya. Ayan, sa Digital Walker, Garmin, and Urban Gadgets. So malapit din siya sa Crocs and Hana Maruken. So yun, hopefully meron sila ng DJI mic. Let's see. And so we'll enter Urban Gadgets now. Hi. Hello po, may available kayo na mini na DJI mic? Yung transmitter lang.
Wala, sige, may mga nagtalang.
Magkano yung ganun sir? Yung mic 3?
Mic 3, charging po, nasa 50. Yung mic lang ito, nasa 9,000.
9,000. Pero yung transmitter na mic na mini wala. Pero meron kayo nun usually.
Check ko lang.
Sige sir. Osmo Pocket. Hi guys! So successful! Nakabili tayo ng DJI Osmo Mini na mic. So una, akala ni Kuya from the store walang available stock. Pero apparently meron naman palang isa pa. So I bought it for 2,990 pesos. So not bad na kasi yung boya na nabili ko was around 2,000 din. So at least ito working na rin for the Osmo Nano. So ayun. So punta na tayo ng Harlan Coffee. So we'll just get coffee and then uwi na din for to rest na for the day. And guys, so I'm going to Harlan Coffee. So Harlan Coffee is katabi lang ng Italianis and ng Kiwami in Alabang Town Center. So, tara! Thank you. So today is a good day. So nakabili tayo ng mic and also coffee. So we got sea salt latte. Yun yung favorite namin ni Bors. So pabalik na ako sa parking here in Alabang Town Center. And try natin yung mic since hindi na makapaghintay. Let's do a quick test ng microphone natin na nabili pagdating natin sa car. Ang init guys. Sobra. Anyway, tara, test natin. Hi guys! So, nandito ulit ako sa car and nakabili nga tayo ng DJI Mic Mini 2 sa Urban Gadget. So, ito siya. So, ang kasama niya is the transmitter, the charging case, may pouch din kasama, and the USB charging cable. So, the price is 2,990 pesos. Hindi na rin masama. Kasi the one that I bought from Lazada, it's around 2,000 pesos pero hindi siya nag-work sa DJI Osmo Nano. So wala rin akong choice kundi bumili ng microphone coming from DJI. So the sound that you're hearing right now is coming directly, a raw sound coming directly from the DJI Osmo Nano. And try naman natin with the sound coming from the microphone. Ayan, so this is the sound coming from the DJI Mic Mini 2. So comment down below if you can see huge difference, or sorry, if you can hear huge difference sa audio na ginagawa natin right now. So if I'm not mistaken, kanina pinakinggan ko na rin naman yung sound. For me, sulit naman siya. Mas rinig yung boses, mas may noise cancellation. But tignan natin sa mga susunod pa nating vlog kung talagang masusulit natin tong microphone na to, no? Ayun guys, so I think successful naman tayo for today, no? Nakabili tayo ng coffee, nakabili tayo ng mic. If you like the vlog today, please comment down below if you have any comments or suggestions on how to improve the vlog. And again, kung nagustuhan naman yung vlog natin today, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Josh and Time 16. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. Thank you guys!